In this video, we're going to work on a word problem, and it has to do with finding the sequence. So if we have a problem like this that says Natasha was sorting her toys into boxes. She put 3 toys in the first box, 9 toys in the second box, 27 toys in the third box, and 81 toys in the fourth box. If this is the pattern, how many toys would she put in the fifth box? So Natasha has a lot of toys. The first step is to put the numbers in order and try to find a pattern. So these are just words, okay? If it makes it easier, you can just imagine the toys going in each box, right? So how would that look? It would look like this. So the first box has 3 toys. The second toy box has 9. She puts 27 toys in the third. In the fourth one, she puts 81. And this is the one we're trying to find. How many toys go into this box, into this toy box? So if you look at it like this, it's really just a sequence of numbers, right? And you just try to find the pattern. So going from 3 to 9, we know that's times 3. If we go from 9 to 27, that's also times 3. 27 times 3 gives you 81. So we know that this is probably going to be times 3. So step 2 is to multiply by 3 to find the next number. So 81 times 3 is 243. So we multiply by 3 here as well. So we finish off the problem by stating that Natasha will put 243 toys in the fifth box. And that's the end of the problem. It's not very complicated. If you don't understand it right away, you could just rewatch the video. Practice makes improvement. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it.